So when I'm using my camera on the go, usually it's just strapped to my hand permanently. So even if it falls down, it's not going to actually fall. It's just going to, hook to my hand. If you just got a Fujifilm camera or you've had a Fujifilm camera for a while and you're looking to some accessories to get to elevate your experience, well, this video is for you. Let's begin. Hi, I'm Emmanuel, this is Geekception, and it's a pleasure to have you here. Now, I just recently got the Fujifilm X-H2S and I set it up, to be able to shoot photos and videos. And that was where I got this idea that, hey, why don't I share that with you? Now, the first thing I think is very necessary, especially when you get a new camera or even if you have an old camera, is storage. So for me, when I got the X-H2S, for example, I got an SD card, which I'm going to be using. So yes, that's the first thing, is definitely storage. And in this case, an SD card. And if you have like an advanced camera, like let's say the X-H2S, for example, you can actually use like CF Express Type B, but those cards tend to be a lot more expensive, hence why I'm using SD cards here. Now for the second thing, which I think has really changed how I use my Fujifilm camera, is the cage right here. Now this is geared a little bit more towards filmmakers, but I installed a small rig cage and I have it here on my X-T4, as you can see right here. And I also have it on my X-H2S as well. And it gives you so many options to mount stuff to your camera, to shoot, vertically, I think, which is primarily why I use it. So if you plan on using your camera to shoot like TikTok and, Instagram reels and all of that, then this accessory is very important for you. And the final piece of gear that has been really transformational for me has been this Peak Design straps thing where, I think they make a couple of options, but the one I have is just for a hand strap. So when I'm using my camera on the go, usually it's just strapped to my hand permanently. So even if it falls down, it's not going to actually fall. It's just going to, hook to my hand. And I believe they make other options such as a neck strap, a shoulder strap, and even their bags, I believe. So, when I got the strap, I just put it on my X-T4 here and also on my X-H2S, so I can just interchange with just one strap, which has been really helpful. So yeah, those has been the three accessories that I've used in my case that has really helped me when it comes to just, getting up and running with my Fujifilm camera. What are some of yours, or what are some of the things that I should be using that I'm not using? It will be fantastic if you left a comment. And speaking of comments, thank you so much for checking out my video. Do consider subscribing if you like what I do here. And until next time, please make sure you take care of yourself, and I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.